The Puma All-Pro Nitro 2 Venice Basketball League colorway is a bold celebration of streetball culture and creative expression. Inspired by the iconic Venice Beach courts in California, this special edition features a vibrant multicolor knit upper that mimics the energy and artistry of the outdoor hoops scene. Splashes of teal, pink, and purple streak across the upper, complemented by a black nitro-infused foam midsole with abstract paint splatter graphics for a dynamic look. Subtle details like the blood, sweat and VBL message on the collar and a custom hangtag with the Veniceball logo and "How We Chill" motto add authenticity and flair. Designed for performance and style, the All-Pro Nitro 2 combines lightweight materials, responsive cushioning, and aggressive traction, perfect for fast breaks and quick cuts. Whether you're dominating the blacktop or making a statement on the streets, this shoe pays tribute to the soul of LA basketball.